Hi student. Till now we have discussed about our topic definite integral. Now today I am going to start with our new topic. It's a application of integral. In your NCERT textbook, it's named as a area of bounded region. Area of bounded region. Before I am going to start with this topic, area of bounded region. First of all, you have to be reminded. Uh, in board examination it covers about 6 marks. There is a single question from area boundary region covers 6 marks there. Then you have to be focused on this topic. When I'm going to start with this our area boundary region, but before I'm going to talking about the usual is basic to its concept there. First of all, then you have to be first of all remind that basic concept related with this topic. Before we start with area boundary region, all of you have to be reminded since in this topic whenever we are going to take solve a problem, there are some steps. First of all, in this topic we have to be first of all we have to draw a figure for given information. We have to draw a figure there. From after drawing the figure, then we have to find out in second step we have to find out its you have to find out intersection point there. Then after finding out intersection point, then you have to find out the region which we have to be calculate there. That means we have to find out what's the lower limit and upper limit. Then we are going to apply a integration. Basically in this topic we have used some special integrals formula mostly, and then you have to be before going to integrate you have to be aware that with or which variable we have to be go integrate through dy or dx through. Whenever mostly we use dx there to find out when we are going to integrate by area boundary region there, when we going to use our integration topic there. Then we are going to be use some special integral. Then after that calculation method. Mostly there are 5 steps to solve the problem related with our area of bounded region there. But before I am going to be explain you this topic with some example there, then I am going to remind you. You have to be aware that what represent x square plus y square equal to a square. X square plus y square equal to a square. As usual, this represent a circle. Which circle? It's represent a circle. Passes which center is what? Origin, and having a radius a, and having a radius a. Then you have to be aware about. You have to be knowledgeable what. X minus x square plus y minus k square equal to a square. What is this represent? Again, this is a represent our circle having a center. Now where center is h and k, and our radius is a, and our radius is a. Also we have to be reminded any question of type x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Again it's a represent our general form of circle in which our center is minus z minus f, our radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. You have to be kept in your mind that what is represent. Then an equation of type y square equal to x. What is this? Y square equal to x. Actually, its format y square equal to 4ax. It's a even square on y. This it means this it's a represent a symmetrical figure there on which about y axis. Then it's a represent its equation of y square equal to x. Y square equal to x. Then means we have to it's a y square equal to 4x, right? Then we have to be in kept mind that it's a y square, it's a symmetric about what do we use? It's it's a y square for a symmetric about x axis. You have to be kept in mind. It's a symmetric about x axis. Then it's represent parabola, and other equations are x square equal to 4ay, symmetric about y axis, x square equal to minus 4ay, symmetric about negative y axis. Then all this you have to be kept in your mind. Y square equal to minus 4x. You have to be get through back your basics there. What is this formula represent? What is its figures? How can we draw their graphs? First of all, in this section you have to be aware about that. What is which equation represent what its graph. Whenever any equation of type y equal to mx plus c, obviously this means it's represent a straight line. If you have any line x equal to a, means what is x equal to a? Means this is represent a line which is parallel to y axis. Y equal to b, again this represent a straight line which is parallel to x axis. Then means you have to be go through your basics. You have to be remember that about a graphical representation of parabola, ellipse, x square y. Also we have a equation x square plus a square by y square by x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Let's represent the ellipse. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. It's represent the equation of hyperbola. Then please go through your basics and revise that how can we draw and plot the graphs of whenever we have a, first of all you have to be take a practice of plotting the graphs. Then after that now I'm just going to start with our topic. What we have to do, just it's our part of application of integral. I'm already discussed with you. Whenever we start a definite integral, indefinite integral and then definite integral, then I'm told you that definite integrals always represent a area method there. It's basically then our application of integrals is basically is that we have to find out area of some plane figures there, just some bounded plane figures there. Then just suppose I'm just going to revise the basics there. We have any curve there. So suppose we have a curve y equal to some, we have some fx curve there. We have some curve y equal to fx there, and now look, we are interested to find out the area of region between the, suppose it's x equal to a and x equal to b. However, somebody want to interested to find out the area between this region between a and b, x equal to a to x equal to b. Then now it's not a rectangle, it's not a square. Then how can we find out its area of the curve between our ordinate x equal to a and x equal to b? Now it's without using of our application of integral, it seems to be very difficult to find out its area there. Now what we do? Generally we are going to be take some strips there. I'm going to take a rectangular strip here. Perpendicular rectangular strip. We can neglect this delta white part, little bit of part there. Now it's a little bit. I'm taking a very small rectangular strip there. It's not be going to be affected by this curve. Then now look. This is our very small rectangular strip. Now just suppose its length is, just suppose it's having a breadth is what, dx, and its length is y. Now it's a rectangle. What is the area of this rectangular strip? Obviously length into breadth, y into dx. Now when we are going to be draw rectangular strips of same width there, and then going to add between the going to add all rectangular strips there, then what we get? We get the whole bounded area there. Means we are going to be sum up. How can we sum up? By using integration over a to limit or lower limit a, upper limit b. Now this gives our area. Look, sometimes whenever our graphs are plotted below the x-axis, then in this case what we have? Then in this case, it's our area is formed at we are going to below x-axis, then it comes in a negative value. But we know that we are going to solve in same method. But when we are going to draw it below the x-axis, we get negative value. Then don't be happy. Don't be bothered about that. We are just going to take a formulate getting the values with minus sign, but area cannot be negative, then we take the modulus of a there. Then look up, you have to be careful that taking respective value there. Why I have done dx, we have take dx whenever we are going to find out the curve, area boundary region by any curve there. Just draw a figure there, draw a graph there, and draw a roughly sketch there. Think about our strip. When I am going to draw a rectangular strip, if our rectangular strip is perpendicular to x-axis, then our respective indication, our respective variable is dx. If our strip is on y-axis, perpendicular to on y-axis, then here we take integration of a to b x dy. What I want to say that, just look. Here our strip is on x, then therefore our area is can be measured by integration over curve y into respective dx there. What I want to say you, just going to explain with the figure there. I want to explain you just we have a now curve like that, and I have to find a region between this. Now something y equal to a and y equal to b. Now we have to find the region area between this region. Now then I am going to draw our rectangular strip like that. Now in the case our rectangular strip is what? Perpendicular on what? On which? It's perpendicular on our y-axis. Then now our area is what? Again we take a length is our x and the strip breadth is dy, then our area is given by integration over lower limit a to b and x dy. Then you have to be careful about that. First of all, draw a graph, then check roughly check there our way when I am going to find out a value integration value there. Then our rectangular strip is perpendicular to the x-axis or it is perpendicular to the y-axis. You have to be kept in your mind. आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा जब भी आप इस कर्व को प्लॉट करिए, जब भी जाइए आप ये देखिए, आप पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट निकालना है. आप इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट निकाल लीजिए, उसके बाद आप रफली दिमाग में माइंड में सोचिए कि आपकी रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप कहाँ प्लॉट होगी, एक्स एक्सिस पे होगी या वाई एक्सिस पे होगी. उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही आपको, अगर आपकी रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप वाई एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर है तो हमारा रेस्पेक्टिव जो इंटीग्रेशन होगा वो एक्स डी वाई के साथ जाएंगे. अगर हमारा एक्स एक्सिस पे होगा तो एरिया इज गिवन बाय रीजन इंटीग्रेशन और रीजन वाई डी एक्स के साथ जाएंगे. देन दिस थिंग्स यू हैव टू बी केप्ट इन योर माइंड, दिस थिंग्स बिफोर टू go to solve this. Now this is our basic concept when we have to take dx or dy there. Now I'm just going to explain with you one of the example there. Let's say start with one of the easy example there. Look, we have to find the, now here we are going to start, we have to find the area of the region. I'm going to explain this problem. We have to find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x axis. Now what is the problem what we have? We have the problem, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x and x equal to 2, y equal to 4 and x axis. Now it is one of the problem of our by area of bounded region. Now we have to find out here area there. Then what we do? First of all, we have to sketch the graph or draw the graph there on given information. It's a y square equal to 9x, means it's a represent of equation of parabola symmetric about it's a x there. Here is y square. Then it's symmetric about x axis. Then first of all, we are going to draw a parabola symmetric about x axis. This is our represent of parabola. Which parabola? It's a y square equal to 9x. Now we have to find out our region between the parabola x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. So suppose it's a 1. This is our 2. This is 3 and 4. Now we have to find x equal to 2. I remind you, x equal to 2, x equal to a. It's a straight line which is parallel to y axis. Then x equal to 2. This is our x equal to 2. This is our x equal to 4. This is our 1. This is 2, 3 and 4. Now look, this is our x equal to 2 parallel to y axis. This is our x equal to 4 and x axis. Look, listen me carefully. यहाँ आप मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिए. अगर इस प्रॉब्लम में फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय द y square 9x, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. If our problem is just from ended with here with x equal to 4, x equal to 4, then our line is completely. If we does not have this x axis in this problem, then our line is going to be complete there. And now what we see, our region is what? Symmetric about x axis. Then we are just going to find out the area between the region 2 and 4 and the curve. And when we are going to find out this area of this region, after that we are going to just multiply with 2, because we don't need out this area, because always when we are going to individually find out this area below the x axis, then we get in it negative values, and then after that we are going to take its modulus value, and then we are going to adding that. But whenever this question is not with the x axis, then we have to draw a figure that, and but we are not just going to be take our rectangular strip on x axis and finding out the area by using integration method, and after that we are going to be just multiply with 2 to find out the area of the. But here what we have, here it's given we have to find out the area between the region y square to 9x, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 and x axis, means we here this is our x axis, it is our x equal to 2, it's our x equal to 4 and this is our x axis, means just we have to need to find out this region, we have to find out the area of this region. Then now look what we have to do to find out this area. Now this is our first step, where we have to, first of all we have to plot a graph, we have to draw a graph there. Then after that we are going to now look, we have to find the area between this region. Then I am going to take our rectangular strip, roughly strip there. And now our strip is perpendicular to x axis. Then to find out the area, now we have to find out this region area there. Then this is our x equal to 2 is our left limit, lower limit, and x equal to 4 is up, the right is our upper limit there. Then area our integration over region is what? Our 2, 4, 2 to 4. Strip is on our x axis, then it's a y dx, and the value of y comes from our curve. We have given a curve y square equal to 9x. Then now we have to put here the value of y there. Then I have to be integrate, and then putting the limit, required limit. Then we get the area of the given problem. Now we are going to solve it. First of all, make a space to solve. Now we have a figure. We have to start with what we have given. What we have given? Y square equal to 9x. And what about y? Then y is what? 3 root x. Our y is what? It's a 3 into root x. Now we are going to find out the area. Then our area is what? Integration over lower limit 2 to 4 y dx. Then integration over 2 to 4. The value of y is what? Under root 3x. Sorry, 3 under root x dx. Now taking 3 to the out because it's a constant. Then we have to find out integration of x to power 1 by 2 dx. Limit is 2 to 4. Then what is its integrator? Its integration? It's a x to power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Our integration of x to power 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 means x to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That means 3 into x to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Our limit is what? 2 to 4. This is our constant value. I'm just going to take to outside. Then what we have? This is now equal to 3 into 2 upon 3 and x to power 3 by 2, 4 and 2. Now this 3 and 3 is cancel out, and now we have 2. Now we are going to put in the limit there. 2, 4 to power 3 by 2 minus 2 to power 3 by 2. Now what we do? We are going to put in the value 4 to power 3 by 2 and minus 2 times minus 2 to power 3 by 2. Now what is its value? We have to solve it. Now we are going to here. It's a 4 to power 3 by 2 means we have to find 4 to power 3 is what? It's a 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 1 by 2 means square root. Then the square root of 64 is what? It's a 8. Then what we have? 2, 8 and 2 to power 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. It's a 8. The square root of 8 is what? Minus 2 root 2. Now this is our required answer. Also we can write down 8 to 16 minus 4 root 2 square units. Square units. This is our required answer. This is our values which is bounded by this curve in the region x equal to 2 to x equal to 4. In the region x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. Now I am just going to explain you by one of the example there. What we have to do this. Just going to start with next problem. One of the again basic question. I am just going to take another basic question there. Find the area of the region. I am going to take a similar type problem to you. I am just going to change axis there. Now look, find the area of the region bounded by. Find the area of region bounded by x square equal to 4y bounded by x square equal to 4y, y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Find the area of region bounded by curve x square equal to 4y, y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Again, first of all, we have to be plot a graph there. First of all, we have to be plot the graph there. Now look, x square equal to 4y means it's a symmetric about, this is our symmetric about y axis. Then draw a it's a represent a parabola symmetric about y axis. This is our x square equal to 4y between the region y equal to 2. This is our y equal to 2, and look what here gave. We have to be also here include between and the y axis in the first quadrant. Here that's the incomplete question. Y equal to 4 and y axis in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant. Now again it's bounded with. Then we have to make first quadrant. This is our y. Then look, let's suppose it's a y equal to 2, and this is our y equal to 4. Now we have to find this region. We have to find area of this region. Bounded between the region y equal to 2, y equal to 4 and the y axis. Now look, to find out the area of this region, you can also name them. You can also name the coordinate. You can O, A, B, C. Now we have to find out the region, area of region O, A, B, C. Now area of O, A, B, C. How can you find out the area of O, A, B, C again? Now when we draw our rectangular strip, then our strip is on. Now अब इस पे स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हमारी स्ट्रिप बेटा कहाँ जाए, वो परपेंडिकुलर टू y एक्सिस है. नाउ देन वी हैव टू बी टेक इन माइंड. नाउ आवर इंटीग्रेशन इज, दिस इज आवर y इक्वल टू 2 and 4. इन लास्ट प्रॉब्लम I have take integration of area is equal to a is equal to x dy, y dx, but here we have to take x dy because our strip is perpendicular to y axis. Now what is our x? It's a 2, 4, it's a 2 root y dy. Now what we have to do? We have to take 2 outside, 2 to 4, y to power 1 by 2 dy. Now its integration is what? 2 again, it's a y to power 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, limit 2 to 4. Then what we have to do? Now it's obvious, go to put the limit there and we find out our, what we have to do? We have to first of solve it and put in the value, first 4 there, upper limit, and then subtract to our lower limit there. Then we can find out easily the value there. I am just going to again revise you. In the problem area bound region, what we have to do? First of all, from given information, you have to be go through your basics to think about it. What is represent our x square equal to 4y is what represent, y square equal to 4x is what, x square plus y square equal to a square is representing what, a circle or parabola or whatever there. You have to go back to your conic section and problem, and first of all go to back that what is equation and what is its graph should be. When you are able to draw a graph, you sketch the graph. Look, in this section there is a marks also in this graph, because, and also if you are not able to sketch the graph, sketch the problem, draw the graph there, then you are not going to be able to find out limiting values or anything else there. Then there is also marks, then we have to be careful about that. First of all, do a practice of plot the graph there. Then think about where is our strip lie, it's perpendicular about x or y axis. Then on that use x dy or y dx, put in the limit. And now I have taken problem in today problem, just it's a x square equal to 4y. Now when I am going to explain you tomorrow, then it will be some complex problem. Then it's when I am going to solve it, then after that in this problem 90% cases we are going to use our some special integrals. you have, it is what, integration of dx upon x square minus a square under root a square minus s square under root x square minus a square. You have to be learn these values, special, some special integrals values there. Then now please go to your bench basics and draw and plot the graphs firstly, then revise this. Thank you for all today.